Hey everyone, today's video is one I've been working on for a couple weeks and I'm kind of excited about doing it. As you saw from the title, it's going to be things to print for your car. I don't want to do the typical, here's like a modified cup holder or something like that. And I'm sure you can tell by the thumbnail it's not going to be like that. So I just want to, show you a few things. Some of them are my design, some are others, and I'll link everything in the description. So yeah, I'm really excited about doing this, so let's get going. So the first thing I want to show was I've been wanting for a long time to replace all my emblems that were chrome. I wanted to replace them with black ones, and if you buy them, they're like $60. And if I 3D print one, it's like 9 cents. So yeah, here's an emblem that I printed. It could use some cleanup. It's got a few lines in it that probably could sand it and maybe repaint it. I printed it in PETG. I had to resize it to fit my car, but I mean, it did fine. And when I printed it, I did it at a 45-degree angle to try to eliminate some of the layer lines, and it did help. But you can see there's still some stuff that could be cleaned up, and maybe one day I'll try it again and maybe sand those down and paint it or something. I don't know. It's fine for now. To go along with that, I also replaced the name Camry. So this one I did in the background is just in black PLA, and the lettering is actually, it's black, but it's the silk shiny, so it kind of gives it a silver look, but kind of like it. It's pretty cool. I didn't make this one myself, but I did edit it, remix it, I guess. So I kind of cut the letters off so that I could print them in a different color. Obviously, I have multicolor printers. I could have done it that way. My car's a hybrid. Obviously, you can tell by it saying hybrid. This is another one that it's on here by the factory. It's chrome. So I couldn't find one available online in any of the printables or Maker World or anywhere. So I did design this one myself. It's got a little more work I could do to it, make it a little better, like maybe make the stripe a little wider so it looks more like the factory one. But I think it turned out pretty good. And I did use the multicolor and use the red for the lettering. This red is Flash Forge's ruby red, and it matches my car pretty well. So I'm kind of happy about that. With the hybrid theme of emblems, I did this one too. This one, someone else made it, but they didn't have an STL for it. I have to look at the file name. It's some file name I never even heard of. So I was able to convert it to an STL, and then I did some cleanup on it because it had some real rough edges, and then I kind of rounded the top and the bottom so it kind of looks more like the factory one, just in black. So it made it look really good with the car. All right, so this one is still a work in progress. That center cap, this part, I'm redoing it. This one is someone else's design, the back part of it, but I'm redoing it, and I'm going to add a honeycomb texture to it and make the honeycomb red, and the background will be black. I think it'll look better that way. And then, of course, I did the Batman logo just to be silly. And that one's, I think it's using the silk. I can't remember, but I'm going to reprint it too. And these, just some covers. Well, actually, I have some right here I can show you. It just goes right over your lug nuts, and it's pretty cool. I didn't make this one, but I got it from someone else. And I'm kind of like not a minimalist, but I do like, minimal design. So something else about these caps. I had to resize these because, okay, I didn't, okay. So the chrome is already a cap, so that made it bigger than the standard lug nut. So these, the guy made them to fit the lug nut, not a cap that's already on there. So rather than going through the hassle of pulling the chrome part off of it, I just went in the slicer and scaled it until I got a nice fit that, I want to be able to pull them off if I ever get like a flat tire and need to change them. I want to be able to pull them off really easy, but I also don't want them flying off as I'm driving down the road. So they get a little bit of a snug fit, but they can be pulled off pretty easy. Pretty cool, I think. And my original plan was to paint these wheels black too, but now that I've got those on there, I kind of like it just with those. So I may not paint them, and it'd be a lot of work to paint them. I mean, I have to clean them up and sand them and stuff, but I don't know. We'll see. What do you guys think? Think I should go all black, or does it look good the way it is? Sticking with the wheels, I also did these uh, dust caps. This guy, it's kind of bulky for my car, but I kind of like it. And it's got the, I don't know if you can tell, it's got the Toyota emblem on it. I think I'm going to reprint it and make that red so it kind of stands out a little bit and looks better. All right, so this guy is one that I did. This is my own little design, and I just recently redid it and put the honeycomb. This is what the honeycomb I'm talking about, putting on the wheel center caps. So it's, this one, it's got, of course, the red background, and then the honeycomb is black, and I'm going to do the wheels the opposite. So the red just kind of isn't as bright. It just, be an accent color. But you can see how this red, it just kind of really matches my car. On the camera, it doesn't, you can tell a difference, but in person, it just looks like almost the exact same color. So it's pretty cool. And I've always thought this year Camry, the way that front end is, it always reminded me of the Batmobile, I think from one of the like animated series. So that's why I put the Batman on there, and I joke that I'm turning my car into the Batmobile. But I also plan on painting just the chrome part to be black and leaving the kind of gray as like an accent. So that's the plan moving forward. So what do you guys think of, oh, the thing in the thumbnail? Yeah, about that. It is a real 3D print that I did. Um, I mean, I didn't design it, I just printed it. But this thing, I'll have to look at the total print time. I showed in the last video a part of it, which was just this, the bigger part of it was on its own 35 hours. So probably over 100 hours total for everything. It's really cool. It just, you get screws to assemble it, and it's made to have magnets to stick it to your car. I didn't want to buy the magnets because I don't really have like a reason to leave it on the car. I just did it for the picture, and I think it's cool, but I don't know that I'll ever like have it on the car, especially, I mean, driving it around. I definitely wouldn't, especially in my little town. I would for sure get pulled over. But, maybe one day I'll do the magnets and have it on there for real, just for fun, and see what happens. But yeah, this thing is really cool. It takes a long time to print, but it's worth it. I like it. I like it a lot. I don't know what I'm going to do with it now, but it's really nice. And another helmet you've seen, I like printing these masks and helmets and stuff. Yeah, so this thing definitely worth it if you have a printer that you can just kind of dedicate to printing this. I mean, it was, at least 2 or 3 days of printing, almost nonstop. Like, as soon as something finished printing, I was kicking it off another job. So, but really cool. All right, so that's everything that I wanted to show. Hopefully, you enjoyed that, seeing some different stuff to print. I guess the goal of the video was kind of to show that there's a lot out there that you can print. If you want to, make some changes to your own vehicle, there's probably something out there that you can do. Print it, paint it, whatever you want to do. If you want to see more content like this, like, subscribe. I got some more videos in mind. I got some travel videos I'm gonna try to do. I already recorded some stuff and I just need to like edit it. So something a little different than 3D printer. 3D printing is gonna be like my main content for a while, I'm sure. I mean, with 5 printers, I gotta get my use out of them, right? So I'm running out of mask print. Give me some ideas of some more to do. I really like doing those. Budwin, he's the one I like the most. You can probably tell if you know him or know of his stuff. You probably see there's a lot of his behind me. But anyway, all right, I'm rambling again, so I'm gonna go. Like, subscribe, yeah, all that fun stuff. All right, bye.